Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us keep making these videos every day. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 22. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 8. No help here, 2, 8, 9. 9 here, so 2, 8. So that means the only place the 9 can be in this box is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 8. That means that our 3 for this column has to be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 9. We've got the 5 here, so 2, 6, 9. Same here, 2, 6, 9. We've got 9 and 2 here, so 6, 8. And 9 here, so 2, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4, 5, and 8 here, so this is our 2. 5 and 8 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any more help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. We look at this row, we're missing 4, 7, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so 7, 8. No help here. 4, 7, 8, 9. Seven here, so 4, 8, 9. 4 and 7 here, so 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 9. No help here. 3, 6, 9. 9 here, so 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 6 here, so 8, 9. No help here. 2, 6, 8, 9. 9 here, so 2, 8, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 1. Don't see any other help, so 4, 9, 4, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 2, 6, and 8 here, so this is our 5. 2 here, so 6, 8, and no help here. 2, 6, 8. For this box now, we're only missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 5 here, so 1, 8. 1 here, So 2, 5, 8. And no help here. 1, 2, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 2, 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 8, 9. 8 here, so 3, 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We got a 5 and a 7 here. So 2, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so 1, 3. 3, 6, and 9 here. So this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 3. And with that 3, we can get rid of this 3 and this 3. That means the only place the 3 can be in this box now is here. And we can get rid of this 3. Just seeing if there's any other cleanup we can do. I don't see any yet. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 8. We've got the 4 covering both these boxes. 1 here. So 6, 8. No help here. 1, 6, 8. That means the only place the 4 can be in this box is here. The only place the 9 can be is here. So now we can get rid of this 4 and this 9. Oh, there's a mistake. We've got 2 9s in this box now. So I believe that means this should have been our 8. That would make this our 6 and 1. That 6 makes this our 8, 7, 2. We'll get rid of this 2 and this 2. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this row now, we still need a 9 here. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. This 9 makes this our 8. Let's do a little bit of cleanup now. With that 8, we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. With that 1 and 8, we can get rid of this 1, this 8, this 8. With that 6, we can get rid of this 6. And that 4 makes this our 9, 4. That 9 makes this our 2, 6, 9, 6, 9. That 6 makes this our 3. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. That 8 makes this our 1 and 6. That 6 makes this our 2, 5, 8. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. That 2 makes this our 6, 8, 6. So now for this box, we're still missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.